How to customize theme colors in Shopify. So first go to Shopify and then click on online store here, and then make sure to click on themes, and then here click on edit theme. Okay, once you're here, click on the gear icon here at the top left and then click on colors. Now here, for example, I want to change the color of this header here or the announcement bar. So just click on the color here and then let's just change it to, let's say, sky blue, like so. And then let's say I want to change the color of the text here. I'm just going to go here and then look for the text. So right now the text here is white, right? So I'm just going to change it to, oh wait, that's different. Let's go to scheme 2. Okay, look for the text that says white. All right, so let's just look. Okay, this one. So let's just change it to black, as you can see. So you can do this over and over again for every color that you want to change here for your store. So just find the color here for each scheme and then change the color of it. All right, so if you click on a scheme, you can see the names here, whether it's for the heading, background, the text, or the links. You can see all of them here. All right, so once you're done changing the colors here, you can just click on save here at the top right, and there you go. All right, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.